Did you know that Ghana was once known as the Gold Coast? That's right. This West African nation was a hotbed for gold during the colonial era. The name Gold Coast was not just a fancy moniker. It reflected the prosperous gold trade that flourished here from the 15th to the 19th century. The Portuguese, who were the first European visitors, named the area Costa do Ouro, meaning Coast of Gold. They were quickly followed by the Dutch, the British, and others, all lured by the promise of wealth. This abundance of gold and other resources, such as ivory and spices, led to a scramble among European powers, shaping Ghana's colonial history. It wasn't just about the gold, though. The Gold Coast was a melting pot of cultures. With its rich traditions, vibrant arts, and a resilient spirit that still echoes today. So, next time you see a gold trinket, remember, it might just be from the Gold Coast of Africa, Ghana. Ghana is not just about gold. It's a land of music and dance, a cultural hub that has given the world some incredible rhythms. In the heart of West Africa, Ghana vibrates to a symphony of sounds, from the hustle and bustle of its vibrant cities to the soothing whispers of its verdant countryside. Music is the lifeblood of this nation. It's a universal language that transcends borders, uniting people in a shared rhythm of life. The traditional music of Ghana is as diverse as its people. Each ethnic group has its distinctive musical style, rich with unique rhythms and melodies. The Akan people's Adowa, the Iwi's Agbadza, and the Ga's Kapanlogo are just a few examples of the diverse traditional music styles that reverberate across the country. These genres are not just mere entertainment. They are integral to the social and cultural fabric of Ghana, used in ceremonies, storytelling, and as expressions of social commentary. But the musical landscape of Ghana is not stuck in the past. It's a living, breathing entity that continues to evolve and adapt. The country has birthed contemporary music styles, like highlife and hiplife, which have gained international acclaim. Highlife, a genre that blends traditional Akan music with Western instruments and styles, has been the soundtrack of Ghana since the early 20th century. Hiplife, a fusion of highlife and hip-hop, emerged in the late 90s and has since taken the world by storm. Ghanaian musicians like Osabisa, Amakia Dede, and Sarkodie have made significant contributions to the global music scene. Osabisa, often referred to as the godfathers of world music, brought highlife to the global stage in the 70s. Amakia Dede, the Iron Boy of highlife, has been a stalwart of the genre for decades. Sarkodie, a hiplife artist, has won numerous international awards, further cementing Ghana's position on the global music map. From the pulsating rhythms of highlife to the infectious beats of hiplife, Ghana's music scene is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. So, plug in those headphones, let the music play, and immerse yourself in the rhythmic heart of Ghana. Wildlife enthusiasts, listen up. Ghana is home to over 800 different species of birds. Yes, you heard it right, over 800. This West African nation serves as a haven for wildlife, boasting a diverse array of species that make it a vibrant, living tapestry of Mother Nature's handiwork. Indeed, the country's wildlife is as diverse as its cultural heritage. From the bustling cityscapes to the lush rainforests, from the arid savannas to the tranquil wetlands, each corner of Ghana pulsates with life. Birds, in particular, hold a special place in the country's ecological scene. The sight of the flamboyant gray parrot, native to the rainforests of Ghana, is enough to captivate any birdwatcher's heart. And let's not forget the charismatic Picathartes, a bird species so rare and unique, it's found nowhere else but here. But birds are just the tip of the iceberg. Ghana is also home to numerous national parks and wildlife reserves, each a sanctuary for a variety of wildlife. Mole National Park, for instance, is the largest wildlife refuge in Ghana. Here, you can encounter elephants, warthogs, and even leopards if you're lucky. Then there's Kakum National Park, known for its majestic canopy walkway that offers a bird's-eye view of the forest's thriving wildlife. And if marine life fascinates you, head to the coastal wetlands, where you'll find sea turtles nesting on the sandy beaches, or visit the Volta estuary, a hotspot for water birds. The biodiversity in Ghana is simply astounding. Ghana's commitment to wildlife conservation is commendable. Through ecotourism initiatives and rigorous conservation efforts, the country is working tirelessly to safeguard its precious wildlife and natural habitats for generations to come. So, whether you're an avid birdwatcher, a wildlife photographer, or just a nature enthusiast, there's no better way to experience the beauty of the natural world than by immersing yourself in the wild wonders of Ghana. With its rich biodiversity, Ghana truly is a paradise for nature and wildlife lovers. Have you ever seen those brightly colored woven cloths with intricate patterns? That's Kente, a traditional Ghanaian fabric. This is not just a fabric, it's a cultural symbol that tells a story. Originating from the Ashanti Kingdom, the Kente cloth is more than a mere item of clothing. It's a visual representation of history, philosophy, ethics, and social values of the Ghanaian people. To create this vibrant textile, artisans employ an age-old weaving technique passed down through generations. Each Kente cloth starts as a series of thin threads which skilled weavers manipulate on a loom to create complex patterns and designs. This is a time-consuming process, reflecting the dedication and patience of the artisans. Every color and pattern on a Kente cloth holds a specific meaning. Gold signifies status and serenity. Blue represents peacefulness and harmony, while green symbolizes renewal and growth. Intricate patterns are not just for aesthetics. They carry symbolic meanings too. For example, the Odenkium pattern, shaped like a crocodile, symbolizes prudence and practicality. The Kente cloth plays a central role in traditional ceremonies. During weddings, for instance, the bride and groom are often adorned with Kente. The cloth's vibrant colors and patterns contribute to the festive atmosphere, and its rich symbolism adds depth to the ceremony. But Kente is not limited to Ghana. It has gained international recognition as a symbol of African heritage and pride. You may see it worn at graduation ceremonies or cultural events around the world. Its appeal transcends borders, and its impact extends beyond fashion. It's a testament to the creativity, resilience, and cultural wealth of the Ghanaian people. So the next time you see a Kente cloth, remember, it's not just a beautiful piece of fabric. It's a canvas that portrays the spirit of a nation, the wisdom of generations, and the heartbeat of a rich and diverse culture. Kente cloth, with its vibrant colors and intricate patterns, is a perfect representation of the rich and diverse culture of Ghana. 2019 marked a significant event in Ghana, the Year of Return. But what exactly was it? You might wonder. Well, let's dive into that. The Year of Return was a unique initiative by the Ghanaian government, a powerful call to the African diaspora scattered across the globe. It was an open invitation, a warm welcome home, to those whose ancestors were forcefully taken away from their motherland centuries ago during the transatlantic slave trade. The initiative wasn't just about remembering the past, but also about looking forward, fostering a sense of belonging, of unity, and of shared destiny. It was a clarion call to the African diaspora to not just visit Ghana, but to consider it as a potential home, a place to invest and to contribute towards its growth. The Year of Return was a year-long event, packed with a variety of activities, from music festivals to investment forums, from art exhibitions to ancestral ceremonies. It was a vibrant blend of celebration, remembrance, and reconnection. There's a certain magic in the air when you're walking the same land your ancestors once did, hearing the same sounds, feeling the same warmth of the sun. The Year of Return aimed to provide this profound experience to millions, and it did so with resounding success. Ghana welcomed around 750,000 visitors during this period, a significant increase from previous years. This initiative didn't just boost tourism, but also fostered deeper connections, initiated conversations about identity, heritage, and the power of coming home. Ghana, known as the Gateway to Africa, became a beacon of hope, a symbol of a possible homecoming for the African diaspora. The Year of Return wasn't just a year-long event, it was a movement, a journey of discovery, a celebration of African resilience, and a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. The Year of Return marked a significant milestone in Ghana's history, symbolizing a renewed connection with its diaspora. It was a momentous event that resonated with millions, a testament to Ghana's hospitality, and a beacon of hope for the future. Are you a foodie? Then Ghana is a place you must visit. With a cuisine that's as diverse as its culture, Ghana offers a culinary adventure like no other. Let's dive into the heart of Ghanaian cuisine, where every dish tells a story of tradition, of people, of the rich land from which it springs. One such dish, jollof rice, is not just a meal, but a symbol of national pride. This one-pot dish is a vibrant blend of rice, tomatoes, onions, and spices, often served with meat or fish. Each spoonful of jollof rice is a testament to the fusion of flavors that Ghanaian cuisine stands for. Then, there's banku. This staple food, made from fermented corn and cassava dough, is a true representation of Ghana's agricultural heritage. Its slightly sour taste perfectly complements the spicy sauces and soups it's often served with. Banku is more than just food. It's a testament to the resourcefulness of the Ghanaian people, transforming simple ingredients into something truly extraordinary. And who can forget fufu? This smooth, dough-like staple is a true Ghanaian classic. Made by pounding a mix of boiled cassava and plantains into a dough-like consistency, fufu is usually served with a generous helping of rich, aromatic soup. Eating fufu is an immersive experience, with every mouthful a celebration of Ghana's diverse flavors and textures. Ghanaian cuisine is a testament to the country's abundance of fresh, local ingredients. From the coastal fishing villages to the fertile lands of the interior, every region contributes unique elements to the food. Traditional cooking methods, like roasting and slow cooking, bring out the natural flavors of these ingredients, creating dishes that are simple, yet incredibly flavorful. But it's not just about the food. It's about the people who grow the ingredients, the hands that prepare the meals, and the communities that gather to share them. It's about the warm, welcoming spirit of the Ghanaian people that infuses every dish. With its mouth-watering dishes and unique flavors, Ghanaian cuisine is a gastronomical journey you don't want to miss. From its rich history and culture to its diverse wildlife and delicious cuisine, Ghana is a country that has something for everyone. We've taken you on a journey, revealing the country's golden past, its vibrant musical scene, the breathtaking wildlife, and the intricate beauty of the Kente Cloth. We've dived into the impactful year of return and savored the mouth-watering flavors of Ghanaian cuisine. The rhythm of the drums, the allure of the wildlife, the vibrancy of the Kente, the significance of the year of return, and the sizzle of the Ghanaian kitchen. All these facets make Ghana a gem on the African continent. The stories we've shared are but a fraction of what this country has to offer. Each corner of Ghana is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So, are you ready to pack your bags and explore the many wonders of Ghana? We bet you are.